Hi all, I'm Tyler Bravo. I'm the IT manager here at GoLinks, and today I'm going to be talking about our GoLinks Slack app and how to use it. So there's three functions. So I'm going to start with the first one. You can share a GoLink inside of any public channel. So I could say, hey, go/IT. It's going to take that GoLink. It's going to turn it into a clickable GoLink and show you the description as well as the URL that's behind it as well. So you can just easily share these GoLinks inside of your Slack channels. The second thing you can do is you can search for GoLinks. So maybe I wanted to find some relevant engineering resources. Do /go space, and I could say engineering as the keyword. Hit enter. It's going to pull the top GoLinks that are associated with that keyword. So you'll see here it's going to list all of these here. It's only going to be visible to you, so it's not going to be blowing up any public channels when you're doing this. Click on any of these GoLinks, it's going to open it up into a tab inside of your browser. The last thing is you can use the @GoLinks function, and you can ask it a question. So I could say, how do I reset my password? We'll give it a second here to process this request. And you'll see here that it's going to say, hey, to reset your password, you can go to this GoLink. It's going to list some additional resources down here as well. So it makes it easy to find what you need instantaneously within inside of your Slack channels. But yeah, that's how you easily use our GoLinks Slack app.